Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show and explain how to check your Ryanair flight number. Now, if you booked your flight, for example, 2 days ago, and it's going to be coming up maybe, in a week or so, and you just want to have a refresher or be reminded what your flight number is, it's quite easy. You need to be logged into your Ryanair account. And once you're logged in here, this is going to be the home page. You want to look towards your upper right corner of your screen. It says my bookings, right? It's right on the left side of the flag or the language option. So click on my bookings, and this is where all your bookings or your book flights are going to be located. So once you are here, if you have more than one flight, be specific on which flight you want to check your flight number from. So for example, you only have one flight, no problem. Just click on that flight, that solo flight, and your all the information is going to be there. Schedule, seat number, everything, baggage, and your flight number is going to be there. Or if you have more than one, again, remember, oh, maybe I'm going to go to Britain, right? Go to that specific booking and click on it, and same thing, every information is going to be there, including your flight number. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.